It's one thing that's unique to me is my childhood and my perspective of it, you know? Lee Harvey Oswald went to our middle school. Pistol Pete Maravich lived and died in our town. That's the joke that I use off of that. But like Tulane University had their primate testing facility in our town. That's where most people worked at, right? So, and in 1994, like 70 infected monkeys got out in our town. Police came to YMCA summer camp and let the oldest kids leave to help them look for these monkeys, right? Like, it's not a racial thing, guys. These are fucking 70, these are chimpanzees and macaws that are loose around town, you know? I still remember having a wet bathing suit on, cornering a fucking chimpanzee outside of a Kenny Rogers Roasters with a police officer and 3 other kids, like, rah, 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 you know, by this drive-thru.